So my people don't come again though. I the same okra soup I want make. When I see more okra here, so my grand one. Every time I don't know how to prepare that soup. Oh. So here is the stir to see this thing. That is to cook to cook banga black soup, put it with the hard. This place, anything we fit see for here, really okra, abolo, and the egusi. This place with the stay. So this is okra. Now I want make today. So and of course inside this place, inside this pot, I have my goat meat. Yeah, this one is goat meat, stockfish, and red meat. I'm still using fresh fish. When I say for you, this one are my fresh fish. This one are fresh fish. This one are no this thing. I don't need to explain. This one are crayfish. So this one are garlic crayfish. I want use good the soup. This one are my remaining okra. I want add later. So